UFO in China's skies forced Zhoushan Airport to stop operations on July 7th. Outbound flights were grounded after the unidentified flying object was detected.
Strange spiralling white light was spotted in the early morning sky over Sydney, with even skeptical witnesses wondering if it was a UFO. The unusual sight was recorded by hundreds of people from Victoria.
Had to be shut down.
All right, that's a UFO if I've ever seen one.
Yeah, can you identify it?
That's undeniable.
The airport had to be shut down after people apparently saw twinkling lights above the airport terminal. 17 flights had to be diverted. The latest sighting happened just 2 days ago, and people say they saw 4 lantern-like objects forming a diamond shape in the air, hovering in
this morning that some say may be proof we're not alone in the universe. A UFO in the form of a bright light is seen descending over the Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem. The video is said to be taken over the weekend. Then suddenly the light shoots up.
Videos all from various perspectives, but they do not know of anything like this in the Israeli.
All in a stupor, just crowded together,
Looking up is because of a mystery in the sky. Is it a balloon, a UFO? Whatever it is, it sure has a lot of people talking. Eyewitness News reporter Jeff Begase is live in Chelsea, where crowds have gathered. Jeff, what's this all about?
Well, Sade, we don't know.
From young, we are taught that there are 8 planets in existence: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And amongst all of these planets, planet Earth is what we call our home. Very few people inquire why this is. Why is it that planet Earth is the only planet known to have life and not the rest? And then there are those who diverge from this idea and believe life does actually exist on other planets. And we are only ignorant to this because the government thinks that Earthians will not be able to handle the truth. The Roswell UFO incident is one of many UFO conspiracy events that tested the reality of life on other planets. This incident took place in 1947. The Roswell Air Force Base had discovered a shiny metallic disc that resembled that of an alien saucer. After this subject was discovered, the Roswell Air Force released a report on this happening. Soon after, the base altered their findings on this report to the public and stated that what they thought was a saucer was just the remnants of a weather balloon. The Roswell Air Force Base was not the only ones that allegedly have proof of UFOs and extraterrestrials. Many people across the globe in major cities and towns have claimed to have sighted unidentified flying objects, also known as UFOs. According to UFOcoverup.org, there has been 71,530 sightings reported worldwide. So the standing question, does life really exist on other planets? Or does the strong beliefs of some cloud true reality? While these are all things to consider, I, for one, believe that the Roswell UFO incident was just a miscommunication to the public. I think that Earth is still the only planet to date that life actually exists on. For one, planet Earth is the only planet known to have conditions that are favorable to life. This makes it nearly impossible for extraterrestrial life to exist on other planets and transport to Earth. According to a book written by Benjamin Krim, an historicist, Earth is considered to be in an area known as the Goldilocks zone around our sun. It is just the right distance away from our sun to allow just the right amount of air, water, and heat to support life. Imagination clouds the mind's eye. This is another reason why individuals assume extraterrestrial life exists. Psychological effects can blur how a person perceives true reality. Referring back to the Roswell incident, the individual who discovered the alleged alien saucer was more than likely one who was a firm believer in aliens. His thoughts were more than likely clouded by what he imagined was real, which in this case were aliens. This left him to believe that what he saw was an actual saucer and not a weather balloon. And then there are those who believe otherwise, that believe the Roswell Air Force Base had actually identified a saucer, and think that the allegations were covered up by the government to keep extraterrestrial life a secret. Life on planets other than Earth could actually be possible. Earth is not the only planet known to have conditions favorable to life. Exoplanets, which are planets outside of our solar system, acquire some conditions that are favorable to life. They have been found in the Goldilocks zone of other stars in our galaxy. Currently, research is being done to find those other Earth-like planets. As we move forth into the future, we may even discover life on other planets within our lifetimes. Even though it may seem hard to fathom why Earth was the chosen planet for life to exist on, it is today's reality. Earthians need to come to this realization and sojourn trying to dig up what is not the way of life. We must stop trying to defy science. We should accept things for what they are and enjoy Earth in its entirety. Next time you see something in the sky, do not automatically associate the term UFO with a flying alien-filled saucer. It may just be an actual flying hubcap, or a weather balloon, or even military aircraft.